Marine Engineering and Services commenced its operation in 1979 and has since extended its operation in 1987 by acquiring the docking facilities. We opened a branch in Dubai Al Jeddah in 1990 under the name of Al Marine Engineering and Services. Now MES has acquired a new yard in Hamria Free Zone in Sharjah, where the entire existing docking facilities at Al Layya have been transferred. We hope for a brighter future and acquisition of business over here. Services at dry dock and repair berths. At the float repair berths, freshwater, ballast water, fire line, high pressure water jetting, acetylene, oxygen, compressed air, shore power, shock drainage, tank cleaning. Dry dock repairs, high pressure water jetting and cleaning, grid shot blasting, airless spray painting, overhauling installation of underwater fittings, withdrawal of tail end shafts, renewal of stern bushes, overhauling and renewal of stern seals, unshipping of rudders, checking and correction of alignment, replacing of rudder bushes, replacement of anodes, installation and repair of cathodic protection system, non-destructive methods for testing radiography, ultrasonic, X-ray and magnetic particle test, annual intermediate and special surveys, load line inspections. Fabrication shops are equipped with submerged arc welding, MIG, TIG and MEG welding instruments, profile cutting machines, plate rollers and hydraulic presses. All these facilitate the speedy completion of steel renewal work undertaken. Our welders are trained in the Yard Training Center and they do meet Classification Society requirements. Pipe repairs. The yard is well equipped with hydraulic pipe benders and cutters, which are capable of undertaking any type of pipe renewal work. Electrical repairs. Servicing and rewinding of generators and motors, replacing navigation lights and rewiring, installation and recondition of switchboards. Diving services, inspection of bottom damage and repair. Other services, carpentry and upholstery work, accommodation repairs, ultrasonic thickness gauging, MPI, NDT, megatest, and other machinery calibrations. Our yard is second to none in the Emirate of Sharjah for its size, equipment, and facilities to deal with all kinds of marine, onshore and offshore, and industrial repairs, renewals, maintenance jobs, structural fabrication, large storage tanks. This yard is an associated company of Far Group of Sharjah, which incorporates biggest fleet of tankers from supply boats to super tankers in this part of Emirate. MES has built a landing craft under Bureau Veritas Dubai, and after successful sea trials was handed over to its American owners, who have since taken the vessel to Bahamas under its own power, where it is now operating. A 450-ton ship in the shape of a giant fish that can carry 800 people is being built in Sharjah. MES carried out successfully turnkey project of lubricating oil blending plant at Musafa, Abu Dhabi for ABS lubricants. Commissioning of plants was done on 25th June 1998. Oil loading jetty for Sharjah Oil Refining Company. Fabricated and erected all structural steel work of loading platform with access bridge, mooring dolphin, berthing dolphins, pipe rack. Today we are fully geared to meet any requirements in the field of marine, industrial and structural fabrication in any part of the UAE, onshore and offshore.